Hey there, this is This is Mrs. Hargraves. I almost said my first name. It's no big deal. Okay, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a Halloween project. Okay, I'm going to walk you through this in class too. It's really, really easy, and they turn out really good. Okay, so I'm going to take and draw some boxes just at random, and I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm doing it with a pencil first on purpose. So watch. See, look what I'm doing. See, can you see that? Okay. Now, then what you're going to do is you're going to make spider webs in them, and you're going to color them. And I know that sounds kind of like easy, and it is, but they turn out really cool. So watch what I'm going to do. See it all? I just randomly made a bunch of boxes. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross in the middle all of them. See, look at. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Put X's in the middle from corner to corner. Okay. Even the one I cut off, look at, I cut one box off. I'm gonna do that one. And I'm gonna do it like that. Now, what you're gonna do is you're going to cross, like make a cross inside them. So that way there's 6 lines. Okay, so look at. See, look at. All right. Now, this becomes an optical illusion. And what that means is it looks kind of 3D on 2D paper. Remember, 2D, two-dimensional, is something on a flat surface. You can measure it 2 ways. But when it's 3D, it looks like it's like height, width, and length instead of just height and width. Or height and length, sorry. I'm talking backwards, right? All right. So, alrighty. Now, if you don't have markers or crayons, you can do these in neutral colors, which is white, black, and gray. You can shade them. Remember, a shade you add black, and a tint you add white. So these might be shaded because you're going to be using a black to gray or black to color them with a pencil. So if you don't have the right materials, we can do that for now. I'm going to try to get you the right materials. So we're going to be asking that this week. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to look at the boxes, and you're only going to outline boxes 1 box at a time, because otherwise you're going to get confused, and I know you will. Okay? So look at, that's my first box. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do concave lines, and I'm going to connect all the way around, and I'm going to do it over and over, and that's how you make a spider web. Concave means it's dipped like this. Okay? See, look at. Now I'm going to do that a whole bunch. I'm going to go again, and I'm going to follow exactly what I just did, and I'm going to do that to every box. Now see, here, look at, and it's going to become a spider web, and then you can color them. I'm looking for artwork for Halloween. I think it would be pretty, and it would be cheerful. Okay, so there's my, now you see how that almost looks 3D, doesn't it? Woo-hoo. Now I'm going to pick another box. I'm going to do the same thing, okay? So now you're going to see, look at, I made a rectangle one, and I just did the exact same thing. I followed my pattern. See, look at. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to color these, okay? So now I'm done, and look at how this looks. Cool, huh? It's really, really simple. And now I'm going to color it. And I'm not going to color every single block, and I'll show you what I mean. So when I'm starting to color, you can go in different ways. You can do something like this. You can go in every opposite way, every other one with 3 different colors. You make it look more 3D when you do that. And it's going to kind of look like this when it's done. It's kind of cool, huh? Okay? Happy Halloween.